Lot number 128 is a Mack, a 2007 MR688S. This is a roll-on, roll-off truck. The truck has been running for over 40 minutes. As you can hear, it's not idling smooth. It's idling, but it has like an exhaust leak. I heard it has a cracked manifold. Exhaust manifold is cracked. And I drove it here. I drove it out here and it drove good. Accelerates fine. I rev it up. The motor sounds good. But I'm going to show you what I see up close. It appears to be complete. I did notice there's a hydraulic cylinder missing for the tarp mechanism, but all the other hydraulic cylinders are in place. The cab looks good. It has some surface rust, paint peel. Missing the driver's side mirror is it's inside the cab. It's off. The door is cracked. Look at the door. This door is cracked. Right over here you can see how it separates. I don't think this door is any good. So the door is cracked. Alright, let me show you the back first, which is the most important part before we get to the interior. The controllers appear to be in place. The batteries are right there. I did notice this intake of rust. The motor right there. I see the handles. The mechanism looks good. The batteries were dead. Here's the hydraulic tank. The tarp looks good. The bracket, the mechanism looks good. You see, here's the cylinder, and on the other side it's missing. See it? It's missing. That's the only one I see missing. The tires look great. All 10 of them look good. Wait, yeah, 10 of them. All right, it's the steel. As you can see right here in this corner, I don't think that affects anything. Got a lot of surface rust. A lot of surface rust. As you can see, the main cable is connected here. The sun, okay. It's placed on the hook. That cable appears to be okay. It's got two big cylinders, hydraulic cylinders in the middle. I don't know if you can see them. Let me show you. Got a box on the side. There's the fuel tank. The rims and tires look good. I did see this exhaust leak. And I see smoke coming out of this port right here. You see it? I don't know if that's normal or it's a blow-by or whatever, but I guess that's supposed to be covered. But it is smoking. I'm gonna rev it up for you. I'm gonna show you the inside, and it sounds good when you rev it up. It's got like a knocking noise, but it's not a knock. It's more like a gear noise. Let me rev it up for you. Oh, I can do it from here. Motor sounds good. Let me get inside. The seat is torn. The headliner's good. The base that holds the controller for the transmission is in poor condition. It's all cracked. The controller's in the air. Got the handles, the controllers. AC is blowing, but it's not blowing cold. All the gauges appear to be working. The ABS light is on, and the other light says neutral because I'm in neutral. All right, the temperature gauge looks good. The voltage looks good. Oil pressure right here. Let me rev it up. It's working. Okay, it's got 17,820 hours. It's got 198,000 miles. You can't barely see it. I can see it. All right, and it's got the passenger side seat, which looks good. That's pretty much it. It's dirty and needs to be cleaned. But other than that, the door is the biggest problem here. I mean, that I see that doesn't close, and the exhaust manifold being cracked, I was told. The city purchased a new one. This one's got to go. This one's been sitting for like a year, I was told, and it started right up. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. Good luck.